Now we're going to create a alpha channel mask for this layer, so let's do that. If we look up here, we can see we've got our text going on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click over here into my channels, which is right here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy one of these layers. I'll just grab this blue layer and I'll bring it down and copy it like so. There we go. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to invert this. So I'm going to hit Command I to actually let's deselect that first. Command I. There we go. As you can see, we have everything inversely selected like so. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a Gaussian blur on this because we're going to be using this. So actually I need that text to be a little bit white. So let's just, what we'll do is we'll click here to select all this. And we'll hit Command Delete to make that white. There we go. Command deselect like so. Now we're going to go to Filter. Let's go to Blur, Gaussian blur like so. And you know what? We're going to start with a Gaussian blur of 9. Looks like it's a bit too much. Let's take it down some. See what happens if we Command selected it like that. There we go. Now let's hit it. Filter, blur, Gaussian blur. There we go. Now we can take it up to 9. Actually, no, let's take it down to 6. There we go. And let's do it again. Let's go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian blur. Let's take it down to 3, like so. And one more time, Blur, Gaussian blur. We're going to do this at 1. There we go. Now this is going to be our alpha channel mask, so we can hit Command deselect this, and we will deselect this and we will use that at another time. So we will pick this up in the next part.